what's up guys, and in today's guide I'm going to go over the Clearance Hunter Pro section, how to utilize this section with the bots, inventory lookups, and all the info you need, because I know a lot of you guys have been asking, so I'm going to make this instructional video for this section. Let's go ahead and begin. So first things first, when you go in the FlipFlip Discord, it'll be this icon right here. You're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to see this Clearance Hunter section right here. It's going to have announcements. It's going to have employee stock checkers. We have Home Depot employees, Lowe's employees, Costco employees. So just go to this channel, ask any of our staff members if you need those kind of lookups, but we've also automated it with our scanners is what they call them. So there's this channel right here, the HD scanner. We have the Walmart scanner, but let me show you guys how to utilize this section first. You're going to go to the Home Depot clearance channel right here. It's going to be towards the top. As you can see, the name of it. You're going to see, like, for example, we have these riding lawnmowers. They were $4,000. They're marked down to $8.99 right now. If you scroll up a little bit, there was something for 50 cents. That's normally $20. These are really good leads, guys. They're very time sensitive though, so once they get posted, you need to check the inventory on your stores, how I'm about to show you how to do that, and go into your stores as soon as possible. Talk to employees. Communication is really important. Show them what you're looking for, and the prices that it shows on the stock checkers, that's what it's going to ring up for in store. So if you get the items, go to self-checkout, because if you have a penny item or an item that's a few cents, an employee might say something, they may throw it away, they may say no, no, no. So try to do self-checkout, be friendly with the employees all the time, because some of these markdowns are by accident. Some of them are intentional, but you never know how they're gonna be. I love that these stores have self-checkout, so you can do 50 of a 1-cent item and no one's gonna say anything. Like this item right here, it's $20, marked down to 45 cents. So you would just check the stock on that. But these are gonna be where all the leads are. Now, if our stock checker asks for an internet number, you're going to click like a Home Depot link right here, or you Google the item on Home Depot. Then you're going to see right here, up here towards the top, you're going to see internet number. That's the main number you're going to use for using HD scanner and Home Depot lookups in the channel. Just keep that in mind. The internet SKU number is like the main SKU number for Home Depot. So we're going to go back. We're going to go to now the Home Depot clearance. Now, some of the leads are going to have this little button that we've added where you can just check the stock like this. So let's click check, and then it's going to say request received. You're going to receive a DM just like this. And as you can see, one of these has the little flame emoji right here for $8.99. It says the stock is 0, but this is because this lead's been posted for quite a few times now. So definitely just, you know, keep utilizing that channel, keep using that button like I just did. And I'll show you another way to actually look up the stock. So another way you can do is you go to these scanner channels. So go to HD scanner. You're going to go up here to the pinned messages. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is copy this. And this is to set your zip code for your account for store lookup. So I'm going to copy and paste it. And at the end where it says zip code, I'm going to type in a random zip code right now just to set it for you guys. And then it says zip code successfully set. So now my Home Depot is set for this command. And then let's go to the pinned messages and let's run an inventory check on this command right here in the pinned messages. So we're going to go here again. We're going to paste it. And then remember that, that internet SKU number I talked about. Let's go to Home Depot. Let's click it, let's copy it, and then let's paste it where it says this right here. And then let's copy, and I'm still getting used to this magic mic on my new MacBook Pro. And then let's go ahead and try that first. There we go, processing. So I didn't even have to add the zip at the end, it looks like, because I set the zip code initially. And then we're going to go here and boom, wada bing. You're going to see all these different inventory lookups on prices. It looks like it's $300 in my area. I don't see any other markdowns, but that's how you use the Home Depot one. Pretty simple. Like I said, most of the channels we're working on adding this little button. Let me see if I can find, I don't want to show too many leads because some of these leads are fire, guys. Look at, oh, here we go. So let's click the button again on this Ring Video Doorbell 3. I just clicked it, and then if I scroll down, it says request received, which means I got a DM. Oh, here we go. And I remember actually checking this the other day. There was a ton in store for me. You can see all the flames actually. But look, FlipFlip members already took all the stock. It's all saying 0. Oh, this one 3 stock and Oviedo for $50. So it's really cool. I really like the button. And then you can also use that manual lookup again. I'm going to do it again just to show you guys how that works for that, that Ring doorbell lead. So let's go up. We already set our zips code. So let's go here and let's copy this SKU right here. And let's go to HD scanner. And then let's go to the pin messages again. And it's TA Home Depot SKU. So pretty easy. TA Home Depot. And then let's copy and paste that SKU in there. And then put a little space right there. And then let's enter that again. Okay, stock check completed. Let's check our DMs. And boom, it did it again. So same thing. You can do it manually, and we're adding that button. It uses the same thing. It's just 2 different options for you. So that's how you do Home Depot. Pretty simple. You have this lead channel, and then you also have the HD employee leads. These are, ooh, see, so the buttons here, I could click this button. MSRP $239, as low as $47. I just clicked it for this Makita pin nailer. Then we're going to go to our DMs right here. Look at that, $47. Oh, but stock is 0. And that's why I was saying you want to jump on these pretty quick. Let's see, 47,000. Yeah, so these go pretty quick. Like I said, this was posted, what was the date that we posted that lead? Yeah, 6/24. So what is today? That's almost 2 days old. That's way too late. You got to jump on it the same day, guys. And we're really good. We have Home Depot employees and stuff, as you can see in this channel. Let me show you guys the little device that, yeah, see? So we have like, there's flooring, like $199 for wood flooring. If you're into real estate, that's really good. We have these employee penny lists right here. And then also in the Home Depot, we have the HD zip trick. We have the HD tickets if you want to open a ticket for an employee, a Home Depot employee. We have the HD penny lists right here. So that's it for the HD. That was, you know, I just showed you how to use the HD scanner, and I showed you where the Home Depot Clearance Pro leads are. Now it's going to be the exact same thing for Walmart, guys. Walmart scanner is going to be the exact same thing. The leads are going to be in this Walmart clearance section, as you can see. Oh, don't chat in this channel, homie. Sorry about that. We'll post the UPC for you in a second. Yeah, there should have been a UPC on this lead. But here you go. So this vacuum is $200 MSRP. It's as low as $30. To get stock, you just click check Walmart store stock. Boom, request received. We're going to go to our DMs for the Walmart lead. Processing. There's the UPC code. So this UPC code, you can show Walmart employees, and they're going to help you in stores to really zone in on this. But look, 4 on the sales floor for $50, 3 on the sales floor for $50, 1 on the sales floor for $50. So that's a hot lead. Let's go back and let's find some more. But you guys already know this is pretty simple. Click the button and you're going to get your, you know, Walmart employee stock levels on all these clearance leads. And this is all the leads, guys. Scroll up. There's a ton of them. A lot of them still work, and we're always posting new ones. And what I say too for the Clearance Hunter Pro section to really make it, look up the eBay comps. Look what you're going to be selling these items for. Some items, they're going to be really close to that MSRP price on Amazon, selling them locally. And even for personal, this is great. Like, I needed a Dyson vacuum, and I use this section. I need, you know, these lights, these neon lights, these Huey lights that would go on sale. All sorts of really cheap personal stuff. As you can see with Walmart, I mean, there's grills for 75 bucks. Let's see this. Let's click check Walmart stock, and then let's check our DM here. I mean, this is crazy, man. You can get these nice ass grills for a bag, like really cheap, like 50 bucks for a Pit Boss grill in the summer. That's normally like, this video is going to help a lot of people, I think. But if you wanted to do it manually, so we've added the button, obviously. You guys like the button, you just click it and it automates it. But just in case, we always have the Walmart scanner channel where you can see people are doing stock check completed. Look, somebody just used it right now. Look at that. Let's go. Somebody just zip code successfully set. That's awesome. So that's how that works. It's the same thing. You go to this pin message right here, and then to set your Walmart zip code, use TA, what was it? TA zip set, what did it say? Zip set Walmart. And then the zip code, which let's do 32951. And there we go. I set my zip code, so that's all set. It's all good now for the Walmart bot and the Walmart manual. My zip code's all set. Let's go find a Walmart lead to manually look up really quick. Now for Walmart, you're gonna use the UPC, which is right here under the leads. Like that guy was asking early in the video for this one, we do need a UPC code for this, so I will try to find that and post it actually. Let me see if I can, I don't know how I'm gonna, I'll have to, this isn't gonna be good for the video. I'll wait for that. But let's look up, let's see, let's find a good item to look up. A $20 mainstay propane patio. I actually need one of these. Mine just broke. So I actually do need a patio heater. Let's see, for 20 bucks too, man, out on my patio. I'm about that life. So let's go to the Walmart scanner now, and then we're gonna click the pin messages again. And let's see, how can we use this? I believe it's, I actually need to pin that because it's not there, but I'm pretty sure it's TA Walmart, and then I think you just post the SKU. I am pretty sure, because it should be the same as the Home Depot one. Let's find out though. TA Walmart zip. Did that work? Processing. Yep, that works. So that's the command there. I'm gonna pin that message in there as well. But there you go, man. Look, $89. So if it's starting to go down in price, you want to watch it. So this one started at $147 and it's down to $89 now. So it's going to continue to drop to that $20 price. Like I said, you can give this UPC to the employees, but that's how you set it manually. Let me go ahead and just do how to manually stock check, use TA Walmart, and then SKU. Yep. And then let's pin that really quick. Perfect. Okay. So you guys kind of have the idea how to use the scanners now. Target is the same exact thing. So if you go to the Target clearance, you can see we have the button as well. This is $224 as low as $67. Let's click the magic button, request received, and then let's scroll up here and please make sure. Okay, so cool. I haven't set my zip code yet for the magic button, so I'll be able to show you guys. As you can see, it worked for Home Depot and Walmart. This is how you would do it for Target. So this is the command that you're going to use to make that magic button know your zip code automatically. So let's do that really quick. Copy this command, and then we're going to go to head over to Target Scanner now. And then let's paste that in here. And then it says replace with your zip, and then that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do zip code, TA zip set target 32205. Zip code successfully set. So now when I go to the Target clearance channel for the magic button, if I click it, it's gonna say request received again, but this time it's gonna show me all that juicy inventory now because it has my zip code set. Stock is zeroed out, so people are finding this thing like crazy right now. So that's how you use all of this, guys. Lowe's is not set up, I don't believe yet. I think we're still working on that one, but that's how that works. Make sure you guys take advantage of that. People are using that channel, but guys, make sure you're posting success too with this stuff, man. I really appreciate it, and thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, comment if this vid helped you. I'll make more video guides how to utilize the server just like I showed you, and use that Clearance Pro Center. And guys, that section, people are making $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month. That Home Depot stuff is no joke, and we have these employees in here helping us with these leads. There's a lot of money in Home Depot locally on Facebook Marketplace. Like I said, the flooring, the real estate guys, the power tools, sell for cash deals all day. Like I said, we're going to continue to pour the leads in there, but I want you guys to understand how to use the automation part so you learn it for yourself and you can find this stuff as quick as possible, because there's a lot of people going after it, and I want you to learn that system and to get after it. But I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.